What's the meaning of busily? Busily. Busily.
Busily. Busily. The word busily is an adverb that describes someone or something that is working or moving in a very active and energetic way. It implies that the person or thing is occupied with many tasks or activities, and may not have much time for anything else. For example, if someone is busily typing away at their computer, it suggests that they are focused on their work and may not have time for interruptions. The result of being busily engaged in a task or activity is often a sense of productivity and progress, as well as a feeling of satisfaction and accomplishment upon completion.